regional managers, and developers. Okay.
Okay.
So CEO can see all type of reports. They don't have any restrictions, right? And
Right.
whereas regional managers, they can see only the particular region. For
Okay.
example, we have four regions: east, west, north, south. Okay. East
Okay.
region manager only see east region,
Okay.
not other region. Okay. So likewise, we need to restrict the data based on the user. That is called role level security or user security. Okay.
Okay.
So there is a steps. Okay, to perform RLS. To
Mm-hmm.
create a user. Okay. For example, let me create a sample report. Hmm, state or sales. So this is the state. Okay, state by sales.
Okay.
Then I have a region. The region as a slicer. Okay. So see here.
Okay.
So if I publish this report, they can see, the user can see all type of regions. Okay. Here I need to restrict. Okay. Based on the manager data. Okay. So we need to first in Power BI desktop we need to create a roles first. Okay. How we can create a roles? So here modeling, right? In modeling,
Right.
here we have manage roles.
Okay.
So just select manage roles. Here we need to create a roles. So if we have more number of managers, we need to create more number of roles. Okay. Or else, if you have CEO and CFO like that, okay, we just create a CEO. We don't need to create any restrictions for CEO because we can see all type of reports. Okay.
Okay.
And for manager, we need to create roles. Or LOB, we need to create roles. Okay. Let me create a role. Let me put it as a yeast. Okay. Then add a filter region because I'm now going to give region level restrictions. Okay. A
Yeah.
region which is equal to east.
Okay.
Let me create another role. This is west. Okay.
Okay.
So let me create another role. Okay. Now we have created a different roles. One is east and another is west. Okay. When user logins. Okay.
Okay.
In
So
the
it
Power
is
BI.
related to a particular report only, more than
Yeah, only this report.
only
Only
these
this file.
report.
Yeah, yeah. So, okay. This report in the sense, not this particular page, the entire page. Wherever we have a
Entire page.
region, yeah, if
Also
west,
dashboard.
also
Dashboard
dashboard.
also.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, through
So
entire file.
we have applied we have created dashboard and we make a role on that. We will be applicable on all pages.
All pages. Yes, entire report. The entire
Enter
report means
report.
entire file.
Okay.
Okay, so now see here, view as okay. So we already created east and west, right? If customer belongs to the, I mean, from east region, if he log into the Power BI cloud, so he can see only the east region. See here, this is for just checking purpose. I'm just doing that. Okay. Now see here, the entire report which shows as a east region. Okay. So what happened if you publish this report into Power BI server, Power BI cloud? Okay. Let me again
Okay.
publish this report. Okay. workspace. Replace. Because we already published yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to open. So quick and so you can have open quick insights or open directly the report. Okay. So let me tell you. So what is quick insights? Okay. So you didn't create any report. Okay. You didn't create any report. Instead of that, you just loaded the data into the Power BI desktop. Then you are going to publish a report into server. Okay. At the time,
Okay.
okay, you get a quick insight. If you click quick insights, automatically Power BI automatically identifies the columns and measures and creates a report.
It will itself you can do.
Yes, Power BI itself it creates a report, possible report. What are the possible reports? From that, whatever, whichever you require, okay, you can pick it up. Okay.
Okay.
So let me open the report directly into the Power BI cloud. So now we have published this report into Power BI server. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the Power BI server. Okay. Let me explain each and everything. Okay. So this is the workspace where we can save our dashboards or reports. Okay.
Yeah.
If we click workspaces, here we have all nothing but with reports and data sets. With reports and data sets. Okay.
Okay.
And content is something but it contains only the reports. This is only the reports. If you want to see only the data sets, this is the data sets. Okay. So for example, let me open, this is the report which I have shared, right? Selections and bookmark. Okay. So I'm going just opening the report. So I open the report. Now what I'm going to do is we already created user roles, correct? Now
Right.
we are going to apply the RLS in the Power BI server. Okay. For that, go to data sets, selections and VM. Okay. Um, and
Permissions.
security. So we already created East and West in the Power BI desktop. Okay. Now
Okay.
we need to add a members who are all belongs to the East region.
Okay.
That we need to set it up. Okay. So for example, I don't know who the employee it is. Okay. Let me put as here. Okay. If we add it, so whenever so Raghavendran, okay, log in into the Power BI cloud, he can see only the East region.
East region.
You can have multiple users, 10 to 15
Yeah.
users. So those 10 to 15 users, whenever they log in, they'll see only the East region.
Okay.
Okay, this is the RLS. You got it right?
Right. Record will be started.
Yeah, it's recording
Okay.
only.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes, it's recording. Okay. So now, okay, um, let me show you how we can give a permissions. Okay. So go to data sets, manage permissions. Okay, so to give a permissions, we need a license.
Pro
We
version.
need to have
Yeah.
a pro version. Okay, so if you try it, okay, automatically enable from today itself. Okay, so here you can give a permission. For example, you have added Sri Raghavendra in the East region, right?
Okay.
Whether that person can view only view reports, or he can edit the reports, or he doesn't have any permissions like that, we can set it up.
He manipulate the report, it will be permitted.
Sorry.
Manipulate the he can
Yeah, he can do
manipulate
that.
the
He can do
report.
the edit. Yeah, he can do the edit. If we give permission,
Okay.
the, there will be three
That will be
set of
restricted.
permissions.
We also that will be restricted. Enable not to edit any report. We give permission just to view purpose, not to any manipulate that. So we can give that type of permission also.
Yeah. We
Anyway.
can give it. We can give it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we have three types of permissions. One is view, edit, and no access.
Okay.
Okay, so in Power BI Cloud, it shows like rewrite, and reshare, and no access. Okay,
Okay.
so we can give permission even if we don't want them to reshare to any other person or any other people, we can give it. Okay, if we set up it, he cannot able to share the file to the entire organization or other friends or something like that. We can give a permission.
Okay.
Okay, so the next one is scheduled refresh. If you connected with your data sets like SQL, Oracle, or some databases, okay, not data files, databases, you can have a feature called scheduled refresh. Because whenever the data comes from on the back end, that automatically get reflected into the Power BI report, right?
Right.
So there is no need of refreshing manually every time. So if you put it as a scheduled refresh, okay, automatically whenever the data comes from the backend, automatically pulls into the Power BI report and it will display the latest report. Okay,
Mm.
there will be two. I mean, um, refresh. Okay, the first one is like live, and another one is okay, uh, just direct query. Okay, live connection is nothing but every day, every time. Okay, it will be live whenever data comes from it automatically pulls data. Or if it is scheduled or direct, okay. If you want to give a particular time, for example, every week of first day, they need to refresh. So at the time only, it will pull the data information from the backend and it will put it into the Power BI server. This is the scheduled
One
refresh.
question. One question, Morgan. When
Yeah.
we make a report, after the data will be updated. Assume.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So it will be report will be showing updated version data. It will be provided by Power BI. That
Yeah, it's updated
option
version only. It's updated version only.
updated version only. The
Yeah.
backend version it will not be updated also. Backend version they don't get backup,
Yeah,
right?
no. I mean the desktop version, right?
Maybe desktop version I we
Okay.
posted to publish in
Once
cloud
you
also.
once you publish the data into Power BI server, and when we do schedule refresh, the backend data, right? I mean the file, the app file,
Oh,
that will not get
okay.
updated. Only the Power BI server, the cloud server only will get updated. So if we want to download the latest file, we can download from the Power BI app cloud itself. Then we can restart work.
It will be only applicable on server
For
server
server
data.
only, because we have given gateway connections are schedule refresh only in the Power BI cloud.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, okay. And one more thing is like to perform schedule refresh, we need a gateway connection. We need a gateway connection. So gateway connection, which act as a bridge between data server and the report server.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So we have two types of gateway. One is on-premise gateway, and another one is personal gateway. Okay.
Okay.
So what is on-premise gateway? So if you use your organizational data server, and you are pulling data from that server and creating reports and publishing it to public cloud, that is the on-premise, because you are fetching or you are using company server. At the time, if you want to do schedule refresh, you need to download or you need to use on-premise gateway.
Okay.
Whereas if you are using a personal server, for example, you have installed a SQL server in your personal desktop,
Yeah.
okay, and you are just creating a reports for study purpose or whatever maybe, or freelancing purpose, whatever maybe, okay. And then if you are want to schedule refresh, then you can use a personal mode, on-premise gateway and personal gateway. Okay, so there is two difference. Okay, so
Okay.
first we need to download the gateway. How we can download the gateway? Okay. So go to settings, manage gateways. Okay, here we have on-premise gateway, and here we have virtual network gateway because they are using cloud, right? Okay, they already downloaded the gateways.
No, new one. New one.
Sorry.
We create a new one. Maybe think there is no gateway here. Plus new one. We create a gateway. Maybe
No,
think.
if we don't have a gateway, it will ask to download the gateway, but it's not asking any download. Okay, yeah, it's down. Okay, so standard permis, the standard mode and personal mode. This is on-premise and this is the personal mode. Okay,
VPN.
so
Visual.
I'm going to download the personal mode, personal gateway. This is
Okay.
personal gateway. Okay, if you don't have gateway, we need to install the gateway.
Yeah.
Okay, so then if you open the file, again it will direct to the important page. Okay, so this gateway is installed in the local. Okay, so accept. Then I'm going to install the gateway. Mm. Okay, so if you register, okay, with your email,
Okay.
okay, so automatically it will be applied into a Power BI server with your account.
Email means it is organization email or personal email.
It's a no, it's organization email. No more personal emails
Okay.
based on the Microsoft or Power BI. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay, so it will be installed here. So why we need a gateway is for schedule refresh kind of things.
Okay. Only purpose for schedule
Schedule
refresh.
refresh, schedule refresh. Okay.
Okay.
So if you install all the person or on premise, okay, and you can if you are using a data server, then you can do schedule refresh based on the time or based on the live data. That's okay.
Okay.
That's completely up to the requirement, up to what data we have. Okay. Okay. And even share also. For example, let me go to the workspace. Okay. If I'm going to share this report, this also we need a pro. We need to try pro. Actually, I have one account, okay, but it got expired long back,
Okay.
okay. After that, I didn't create anything because we need organization, and currently, in my organization, it doesn't allow in my personal laptop. Okay.
Okay.
That is the main problem. Okay. And I told you, right?
Right.
Um, for example, the quick insights. Okay. If I'm going to quick insights, let me do quick insights. Okay. So I didn't create any report. Okay. But what I'm going to do is I'm just clicking the quick insight. The Power BI automatically identifies the columns and measures, and it creates the possible reports. Okay. Okay. So it's created. Let me create a view insights. So these reports I didn't create, right. Quantity by
Okay.
order date. So it's automatically create a reports. See here, count of table agents average selling price, quantity by job grade, debit total amount. So this many reports, it's automatically created by Power BI Cloud. For example, in case if I need this, okay, chart, okay, you can pin and put it in a dashboard. Okay, so there is a two different thing. Okay, one is reports, and another one is dashboard. See here, this is the dashboard. Okay, so what is the difference between reports and dashboard? Is like reports where you can see only the report which is developed in the Power BI desktop, right?
Right.
Okay, so dashboard is nothing but it's a collection of visuals
Reports.
from the multiple different files.
Okay.
Okay, see here, either you can collaborate or you can pick any report in this report or else this report, and you can take any reports from any page or dashboard and put it in a single column or single dashboard, and it
Okay.
is to show the presentations to the users. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Let me open any subcategory.
Okay.
So this is the report. Okay. I think he has used superstore data. It's good, right?
Right.
Click profit overview, profit breaking, profit. Okay, so let me pin this visual, and I'm going to create a new dashboard test. I'm going to pin this particular visuals into a test dashboard. You can pin it. Okay. And I'm going to open another report. Button. And I'm going to pin this visual into the same test. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now see here, we already have a page called test. Now if you open that report, it will be visible in the particular dashboard. Now you can use this report to translation purpose. Okay. And if you want to edit it, you can edit the report. Okay. I mean, for example, if you directly click it, it will directly navigate to the particular report and you can do edit. See here, you can see all the fields and visuals and formats, everything. So everything you can see here. You don't need to download this report and put it in the PowerBI desktop, and you don't need to edit anything. You can edit directly in the cloud itself.
Okay.
Okay, you have all the tools. See here, you have all the tools, shapes, buttons, everything you will be see here.
Is these
And you
all
can
things
edit.
done in button and page view bookmark in
Yes,
this
yes, yes.
report?
Yeah.
Only button,
Wow.
button selection.
Buttons and selections. Yes.
Yeah.
Bookmark and selections.
Yeah. So,
Okay. And see here. So if you want to convert this into a mobile layout, so now see here. This is a mobile view. Okay. So everything I just put it into, for example, with average profit. So you need to set as like mobile view. Okay. So first we need to check whether the user is going to see with their mobiles or desktops. Mostly 99 percentage they will see only the desktop, not mobiles. Okay. If they need, if they want to view in the mobile itself, you need to create this like type of layout. Okay. Like this, and you need to save the report. Okay. So file, we need to save this report. Okay. So if you save and publish it, automatically whenever the user log into the Power BI cloud, they can see the mobile view.
yeah.
You got it right?
Right.
Yeah. So we'll go to the web layout. Web layout is nothing but the desktop view. Okay. Okay. Let me go into the dashboard. Don't save. Okay. So here we have one option for subscribe. So in starting class, okay, I told you right, in Power BI Cloud we can do subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Subscribe is nothing but, for example, if the user is mobile, the email users. Okay, every day he needs to log in into uh, Power BI cloud, and he need to check the business. So it's a one more job for him, right?
Right.
Okay, right. So if we set up some time, for example, at 10 a.m., okay, we need to subscribe this entire report. So what happens, like at 10 a.m., Power BI Cloud automatically take a screenshot and send it into the recipient's mobile. So recipient emails. Okay. So if he
Okay.
logins, if he check the emails, he'll see the entire report with the image. So if nothing goes wrong, he just see the other works, right? If it is
Okay.
any ups
Just
and
like
downs,
newsletters like
yeah, news. What is news?
mail, newsletters. In mail, we get newsletters every time.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Alerts like that,
Alerts.
huh?
Yeah, newsletters. We can say newsletters.
Okay, okay, okay.
I
So
have
here also,
I work in
oh,
web designing, so we
uh-huh.
called as newsletters.
Newsletters.
At a time, we send 100 or 200 at a time bunch of newsletters we
Mm-hmm.
created. Just put it. It will be sent every time. Trigger. We fix the time. It will be
Oh, okay,
automatically goes.
okay. Then it is same like that only. So first we need to set up some time. If he
Yeah.
logins every day at 10 a.m., so we need to pick it up like 9:50 a.m. or something like that. So automatically it takes the latest report as screenshot, and the screenshot will be sent to the particular users. So
Yeah.
whenever he check the emails, he can see the overall reports with the image.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the use of subscribe. Okay,
Okay.
so what
To
about
use
share?
organize real time, we can use these. Rarely, I think it is rarely.
No, it's very very rare. For 8 years, I didn't
Yeah.
I didn't use this subscribe.
There is option, but cannot use any person.
Yes,
Maybe.
yes, yeah, 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 right. Okay, and so if you do manage permissions, then to I think everything is. Okay, so now we are going to see about the paginated reports. Okay. So why it is called paginated reports is nothing but, okay. So we have designed some reports, okay, the page, okay. So we need to set it, fit it well, okay. So using paginated reports, it automatically align all the reports and fit it well in the particular page, okay.
It will be automatically adjusted.
Yes, even if you have any, uh, I mean, what we can say, uh, some reports if we expand, okay, so it will be pixelate, right?
Okay.
It will be seems to
Page
be as,
layout, page layout
yeah,
model.
okay. It will, for example, if you publish any report, if we export that into PDF or something like that, if we
Okay.
expand or zoom any particular visuals, it will be make some blur. So using a paginated report, it won't get blurred. It will be seen visibly good because this paginated reports, what it takes, like it will be formatted the report again and display all the data in a table. Even a table have spans multiple pages. Okay, it will be very pixel perfect reports. Okay, let me tell you how we can do that. Okay.
Murugan, we most customized using DAX code visualization also make a dynamically using DAX.
Sorry, okay. Most
When using DAX code, we can visualizations maps what a charts will be dynamically do that using DAX.
visualization charts in the sense,
So we have done in charts as static pages
yeah,
like.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we using DAX code we can be converted into dynamically.
Okay, for example, so if we created a
Dynamically means it will bar maybe what maybe we have when we have just like buttons pages like that we have created. It is a
mhm,
static level, and I don't think it is dynamic. We have some charts we see in YouTube like that. They will
mhm.
cleared very well. So it will be use a DAX code or we automatically do in normally what we have done in visualization like that. So I think they will be use some code DAX like that. So they're looking so crazy.
Mhm.
So that
Mm.
will be applicable or coding or yeah, like visualization. Maybe thinking it is possible in our desktop versions
No,
like that. It will
I
be
don't think they will create a new report using the dash query. Okay, maybe they have
okay.
used dash query to call the other reports and makes the visual
Okay.
dynamically. For
Okay.
example, within a single file, if you want to call the reports which you already published in the Power BI server, you can use the
Okay.
dash query, okay, to
Okay.
bring that report as a URL or a web link. So it's
Okay.
automatically displays the report with a dynamic view.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
calling the other report. That's it. But using
That's
dash
it.
query, we cannot
Okay.
create a report. Yeah.
Just we adjusted in one page like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
When we click it, it will dynamically pages will be displayed. When I saw one report,
Yeah. That we
excellent.
can
They
do.
do
So like,
excellent.
yeah, yeah, like bookmark and selections, right?
Right.
So
No,
it's.
no, I think they how to do they don't know. Bookmark
Mhm,
dynamically we have done so many click, but they have done very well. One I have saw yesterday.
mhm.
It is wonderful. They do.
Can you share that link?
Okay, okay.
Okay, share that link. Let me check what they have. I think we got hand.
Yesterday I done Murugan slicer visualization. It will be work. Yesterday I asked it will be slicer level filtering applicable or not. It will be done yesterday. I will
Can
be
you just
try.
share your screen?
Yeah, I will be share my screen. Little bit done. It will be work very well. But here we create a one column, one table created. So that will be work.
I mean the
You
parameter,
can
right?
give a permission. No, 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 no.
Parameter.
No, no, no. I done a dimension only.
Okay, 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 okay.
Please give a permission. I will be told.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Share the screen. You see the my screen, right?
Yes.
This is the slicer. This is the report, visualization report. I have done bar chart. Just take a bar chart. Then click
So
bikes. It will be
where this accessory and bikes clothing comes from?
from. I told yesterday data from
No, 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 no.
some source.
Is it a field or it's a column?
It is the field. It is the column. So here you say product category, product category.
Okay, just
Yes, it
explain.
is the column.
So from the product category, we have accessories, bikes, clothing, and components.
This is a subcategory. Actually, what I do hierarchy model. It is a category. Bikes will be category. In subcategory, these all these things in subcategory. So when
No.
I click in bikes, the
Okay.
details of these reports will be shown.
Sure. Okay.
So
So okay, let me. So
so
this
when
accessories.
I try yesterday, this one I ask you. So I yesterday night I my mind go for that. I will be try and search that. I got a this. So it will
Okay,
be done.
you know what? This is not a column. This is the field, right?
It is the field. Maybe I go for table. It is better.
No, no, no. Here it's just showing. It's a field. Okay.
Field.
If you expand the product category, we have bikes, components, and clothing. This is again, it's not a parameter. It's a filter.
Filter. Yeah.
Okay.
Filter in
So
filter.
yeah, that's a filter.
Oh,
Filter
oh,
we can use the dimensions.
okay.
Okay, but whereas, for example, expand the dimension product category.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, yeah. For
Yeah.
example, if customer wants to select the product category, it will displays all the fields in the product category.
Okay.
If customer wants to select subcategory, quickly subcategory, he need to see all the list of subcategory and then sales. That thing we
Okay.
need to achieve in the parameter. But
Okay.
here
Okay.
you are using the fields. Fields in
Yeah.
slicer we can use the fields. By default it will show like that only, right? When you use any category, it will display all the fields in the particular category. And we can slice and dice and we can select and control the charts. Yes, that is
Oh,
possible in slicer.
slicer only. Okay. Okay. It is
Okay.
field level. It field level.
Yes, it's field level. But what I thought was like it's a column level. Yesterday I show you, right? Sales, profit, discount. That is the
Yeah.
column level.
This is the also maybe think it is column level or field level. How to we see
No.
field level?
Okay. When we check the row level information, for example, bikes, car components, clothing, it's a field level.
Oh.
The column level is nothing but the product category name, the Spanish for category name. This is the column level.
Okay. Difference between field and columns.
In column, we have fields, right? That is the data. Field is nothing but a data
Field is
inside the
nothing but
column.
data. This is the
Inside the
bike is
column.
the field. Bike is the
Field.
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 Yeah. Column is the uh,
Product category
any.
name.
Yeah.
That is
So
the column.
Okay.
You cannot you cannot give or you cannot pass the filter based on the column level. Only field level you can give it.
So, okay, I can understand.
Yes.
We use all this category show in here slicer. It will be not applicable, right? We
Yes,
can say
exactly.
we go for particular field, particular column, and that field it will be work in slicer, right?
Slicer, yeah. Only field level it will be working slicer, not column
So it
level.
will be not work in column level.
Column level.
So any that type of only parameter will be work, right?
Yes, parameter will be work, yeah. Because
Yeah.
we need to restrict some data restricting something, but based on the user selections, we are creating a temporary table and make some queries. It's possible, right? So that is only possible in parameter.
Okay.
So that's why I explained you yesterday. So we need to create a
Parameters.
temporary table with a list of sales, profit, and quantity. And what happens if customer selects sales? They need to see some of sales,
Okay.
some of profit,
So
like that.
I can one more question. Then we
Yeah.
have used a column level parameters. Then after
Mm-hmm.
we use as a filter as like this slicers.
Mm-hmm.
So we will also use field level also. We use column level also. We use field level also. In one report, it will be possible.
Yeah, it's possible. For example, if I
Possible.
select uh, sales or profit or something like that, if customer wants
Okay.
different filter with a different dimensions, for example, in region, if they need to see, hold on a second, let me create that thing, okay, so that you
Okay.
can easily
Understand.
understand. Yeah, okay, fine. Right. Okay, let me have state-wise sales. Okay,
Okay.
state-wise sales. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Now I'm having a region as a slicer, not a
Slicer.
parameter.
Okay.
Got
Parameter.
it? Okay. Now we already have a parameter thing. Okay. Yesterday we have
Create
defined.
a one parameter.
Yeah, we already created parameter. So sales discount and these things. Okay. So this is the column level information. This is the field level
Field level.
information.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace. Okay. Now, if customer selects sales, you can see all the state-wise sales. Whereas
Yeah.
I want to see sales only for the central region, east region, south region, whatever it may be. Even I want to compare the profit for the south. Yes, you can do that.
Okay. So here we must be understand column level and field level.
Yes, exactly.
You cannot explain that.
Have some review. So how we can improve
Okay.
it, how we can change, is there any change or any update? So once you refine those changes, you will move for the next set of data. So like this,
Oh,
we have few set of data. If you work on that, you will be very good in creating visuals, or
okay.
understanding the data.
Okay. We first to analyze the data must important first. How to
Yes,
create the report.
exactly. Yes, that's why I have a different few sets of data. So you need to analyze every data and create the reports.
Okay.
Okay.
So we ready for December first. First.
Need to practice or implement those topics in our different set of reports.